Here we have this Jacuzzi hot tub that's tripping the breaker. Let's figure out why. So we'll go to the breaker and turn it on. So apparently, put it on. So there's power to it, because if you push that button, so it's on right now. There you go. What's going on? This is G.F.C.I. Trip. Call for service. Overheat GFCI Trip. Okay, let's figure out why it's doing that. So everything works. Just going to put the 104 and see how long it takes before it trips. So right there it tripped. Took about 5 minutes right on before it tripped. So we're going to try it one more time and see if it trips within that 5 minutes. We tested a second time and it trips within the 5 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a reset on it. There's different resets for different Jacuzzi hot tubs. So I'll link everything down below on your particular hot tub. Make sure that the hot tub is off. I know it's tripping the breaker, but make sure it's totally off. So for this particular pack, all the schematics is right in the back, and we're looking for J68. Now, if yours doesn't have that, I do have other resets on the bottom of the video description. But for this one, we have J68 right here. You need a jumper. Now, also I'll link some jumpers you can use down below. But I just put this one here. J68. It's right there. You don't want to bend those pins. So there you go. Once you turn the power back on, you're going to wait 15-20 seconds. So it's on, and then count 15-20 seconds. 15 seconds, we're going to turn it off. Remove the jumper. Turn the hot tub breaker back on. Let it go through its programming, and hopefully the message has gone away. Now, if you don't have a little jumper like this and you don't want to really order it, if you have a slotted screwdriver, you can always put it against the pin. Don't touch anything else, just hold it like this. But you need two people for this. So one person holds it against the two pins like a jumper, and then somebody else turns it on. And if you can hold it still and not touch anything else for 15 seconds, then you can do it that way. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already.